You know what I just realized?
No.
We are 52 minutes into the podcast and we did not say,
Hi.
Welcome to Gin and Talk in episode 4. Yeah, anyways.
माँ मेरे शक्ति का गलत इस्तेमाल किया रहा है माँ
God. Oh my god, that is 170% accurate.
No.
भाई
I
मैं
think I inhaled some catnip.
नहीं ये जादू है भाई तुम्हारे हाथ में. That's going to be his name. Jadu.
Ong 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 ong. Oh my god, yes.
वो जब this is जादू when जादू was inside that टोकरी और उसको क्या एक झोली में भर दिया था और वो झोली को हुडी की तरह पहना था, उसमें 2 आंख कटा हुआ था. ये भी देखो हुडी के पहना है.
Yes.
एकदम एग्जैक्ट सेम टू सेम है.
My life is like a movie. मैं वो बुड़बक ऋतिक रोशन और तू मेरी माँ. Or are you Preeti Zinta?
I am Preeti Zinta.
You're not Preeti Zinta.
ये जिंता जो तुम डीले के साथ ऐड की हो ना,
नहीं.
You just wanted to say you're not pretty. Zinta actually, just clarifying. Not making a comment about anybody's appearance. Oh my god. Just say I'm ugly. Just
I didn't.
be a man about it.
How
You
dare
bitch.
you talk about... Fine, I will be a man.
Good to know.
Change myself.
No.
Just because you wanted me to.
Okay, but yeah, you know, that reminded me. I don't know why that reminded me.
Yes,
Of,
obviously your dick will remind you of whatever you want to talk about.
Wow. No. Just listen. I'm starting a train of thought. I'm starting a journey.
Listening. You're not talking. Where did you start? There's no information. Where?
Yeah, listen. This is what I have to deal with.
Sure.
This is 20x more magnified in real life. This is toned down version.
Sure.
Yeah, no. So what I was saying is there was a video where a quote unquote therapist, right, was basically urging people, especially women, to start some shit with their partners. Okay? So do you want to start some shit?
Like we do some shit and then start.
No. Why does your head always go to poo poo?
I never said anything.
This is because you watched 2 Girls 1 Cup when you were 8
No,
and then
it is
12 and then
because
14 and then 16 and
today
last night.
No, it's because today I didn't poop. Okay.
So that's what you're thinking. कब निकलेगा मेरा हग्गा?
What if इसके घर में लगे मेरे को party?
मेरा वाला बाथरूम साफ है.
I don't know. It's not comfortable.
फ्लश कभी-कभी काम नहीं करता है, but
No, but like see, pooping it's a comfort thing, right? मतलब जिसके
Yes.
जिसके घर में नहीं होता है, जब लगता भी है जोर से, it's like, oh my god, I have to sit through this toilet. My butt will touch their toilet, which has their several butts touching their pans, and then you have to poop in it.
Yeah.
And maybe the height is too small or too high, and then it's uncomfortable, and then you're worried
like
that
why is this like a sports bike? मेरा पैर नीचे क्यों नहीं पहुंच रहा है? That is how I felt when I used the bathroom here for the first
oh
time.
yeah, it's very high.
भाई मेरा
up.
पैर नहीं पहुंचता है.
You need a stool.
भाई मैं बाल्टी उल्टा करके उसमें टांग रख के वेस्टर्न टॉयलेट में बैठता हूँ. ऐसे बैठता हूँ मैं भाई, मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है?
You mean us short people, हम लोग को extra सीढ़ी लगता है चढ़ने
Yeah.
के लिए इस
And-
वाले bathroom.
And I think short people is better because you know what tall people do? You know what tall people do?
No.
I found it out recently and I was like, I'll never interact with a tall person in my life ever.
Why
tall
were
man.
you staring
Okay.
at tall people pooping?
No, I was not saying. They told me. I got this inside scoop. And tall people, I know what the fuck you've been up to. Tall men. You fucking 6-feeters.
I hope
You
you have
fucking
no
kangaroos.
tall men friends.
You fucking ugly ass giraffes. These fuckers, they go to their bathroom, the bathrooms in their homes, and they remember, oh, I like bathrooms outside more because they have urinals. My bathroom doesn't have urinal. But where does my dick directly land? The sink. They pee in the sink.
Ew.
And then they brush their teeth there.
Who
It
told
is
you
the
this?
truth. I have caught you fuckers.
Who told you this?
You've been walking around in normal society as if you have never peed in sinks, as if when you were peeing in the sink, a few droplets did not touch the tap, and that you for sure did not wash the tap afterwards. Disgusting tall people. This is why
Oh.
only tall people are in the Illuminati.
No. You know this person.
Yes. And you better be watching, bitch boy.
Is this one of your friends? And you have 2 friends. One of them is male and the other is female.
You are the very much on the right track.
I wish to never meet your friend ever again. Again, क्या मैं मिली भी नहीं. I hope I never meet
Yeah.
that friend. I will only think about.
No, but it's not just one person. I came home and I did research because I was like, this has to be just my disgusting
I
friend.
thought he will say, I came home and tried to pee in the sink and realized my dick never reaches the sink.
That is true, but
Oh no.
no, actually, my dick reaches the sink, but that's because I have a short torso. So my I'm like daddy long legs. I just have legs. You've seen those stickers or those cartoons जब हम लोग पैंट उठाता है और टांग भी उड़ जाता है साथ में. That's me बचपन में. मेरे को गोदी से उठाने की जगह लोग गांड से उठा लिए थे तो मेरा ऊपर ही चीख खिंचा गया था, ठीक है. तो मेरा इंटेस्टाइन मेरे लंग्स में है, ठीक है.
This is your ass over.
मेरा बोलता रहा हूँ, मेरा इंटेस्टाइन मेरे लंग्स में है, ठीक है. मैं सांस लेता हूँ तो पाद निकलता है, ठीक है. Oh my god.
Have you been farting right now? You've been breathing. You have
Oh my god.
burped on my face
That's
multiple
I don't
times.
think we need
I
to
will
tell this.
think that you have farted on my face. No.
But yeah, see, the only times I've burped on your face is by accident, okay? I've not done
Sure.
it on purpose.
You are going to tell yourself that, and you're going to tell the audience.
No,
that.
No, you really think that I was sitting with you and then I was like, wait till she faces me. And then I was
Yes,
like,
absolutely. I know there's conspiracy.
or maybe I was just thinking how to make you not go to a dermatologist and what can we do to naturally fix things. I was just saving your bills.
By burping in my mouth mid while I was talking, while doing so and inhaling all the air
Wow.
in front of us.
People will now listen to this and be like, ये क्या hypocrite आदमी है, ये tall people लोग को बोल रहा था कि तुम unhygienic है और खुद अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के मुंह में fart बोलने वाला था. No, that has never happened.
Now I will worry that you'll fart in my face as well.
That's not gonna happen. Why are you using him as protection?
I'm scared. जादू मेरे को इससे बचाओ, मेरे को प्रीति जिंटा से बचाओ.
Wow. Imagine Preeti Zinta farting on dude.
If Preeti Zinta farts on somebody, I think they will pay her to fart on.
It'll smell like strawberry blossoms.
Yes.
No, there is nothing called strawberry blossoms.
No, it
Cherry
will,
blossoms.
that'll be strawberry.
If strawberry blossoms existed,
No,
it'd be
they
Preeti
exist.
Zinta's fart.
That's her fart.
So it exists inside her ass.
Yes.
बीज खा ली थी वो स्ट्रॉबेरी का.
उग रहा है अभी पेड़ उसके पेट में, वो पाते तो वही निकलता है.
Oh my god. So when they had children together, वही था क्या?
Do they have children? Who?
I don't know. In the movie, didn't they have children
That was
together?
not the real children. I don't know actually.
Okay. Anyways,
What?
भाई हम लोग कुछ भी बोलते हैं फिर अचानक से we are like we realize
We talk too much.
that we've gone in a different trajectory and then we're like any humsus. Let's switch topics. No, so what I was saying started with that therapist thing. Anyways, what I was
How
saying,
did we reach
I don't
here?
know.
Yes,
To
your
Preeti Zinta's
therapist.
ass.
No.
Anyways, so the therapist was like, you should start some shit, right? And what I was saying is, ask your partner or ask your boyfriend these few questions to figure out, mutually decide uh, what would you guys leave each other in? Like, what circumstance would have to happen where you would leave each other? Okay. And I was like, you're supposed to be a therapist. But then I was like, it's a couples therapist. This is how this bitch makes money. He is like, go figure out why you two will break up. When you're not about to actually break up, everything's great. But now there are 10 hypothetical scenarios when you may break up, which may not happen. But now you are like, I think we need couples counseling. And he's like, yes, $17,000 per hour.
Makes sense.
It is very.
I'm
very
pretty sure
cringe.
if you were a couple, if you were
if I was a coupler,
if you were
if I
a
was coupling,
therapist, if you were a therapist, this would have been your mentality.
Oh
Like
my God.
their relationship is getting better.
yeah,
me put some
let's make
spice
it
into it.
worse.
Yes, I will lose out on my client.
I'll be like, अभी नया टीवी खरीदा है, EMI आने वाला है, इसको बुलाए, लिस्ट निकालते हैं. और these were treated patients. इसको कॉल करके बोलते हैं, तुम्हारा पार्टनर कल कुछ किया था क्या? किया तो कुछ नहीं था, बट ये जो किया था इससे कुछ हो सकता है. बोले कि हाँ भाई ये तो बड़ा दिक्कत वाला चीज है, परसों ही अपॉइंटमेंट बुक लो तो तरसों ब्रेकअप हो जाएगा. I have done similar things, no? That's the problem. I've not been a couples counselor. It's been much.
You have done what?
I'll tell you. So, in college, I was a struggling student and a struggling comedian, which I still am actually. I don't know why I had to say I was. I still am. So, I was a struggling comedian.
Now you're just struggling.
I'm just struggling. Just life is a struggle.
Comedy is
तो
out.
जा
Left the
चुका है.
chat.
Comedy उधर देखो रास्ता में ही है,
वो लोग को
बेचारा
नहीं
है.
दिख रहा है.
अच्छा, okay. But hey, मान लो, trust me.
वहाँ रास्ता भी नहीं है. Yes.
Anyways,
Your
so
struggles?
I was struggling, right? But then I was like, see, to be accepted in the comedy community, there's only one thing that comedians don't have. Okay.
Girlfriends.
So there are two things that comedians don't have. One is girlfriends, but I'm not girl, so I can't give them girlfriends, right? The second thing is money. I was like, well, let me try and make them some money because I was bad at comedy. If I could make them money, they'd be like, okay, let's keep him in the circle, right? So I was like, I need to organize shows, right? And I need to somehow convince people that they should basically get what do you call it? Get tickets to the shows of these bad comedians. Okay. So what I did is I basically made myself a hoe online. Only online.
Oh, what were you doing?
I'm explaining.
Oh.
The story has not done the end. So I would basically post a lot of jokes and stuff, etc. And some desperate ladies would do me text. Okay. Because no actual self-respecting lady would do me a text. Okay. And then I would make Tinder accounts and then I would find women and I would text them. And I would say things like, okay, I think we should meet, I think we should hang out together. And they were like, yeah, of course, I'd love to hang out. I've been wanting to hang out with you since the last time you had a viral post, which was
Since the last 3 months, you had
Yes.
this one viral post
Yeah.
I saw around.
And then I was like, oh my
video.
god, there's someone who had a viral post who I know. Oh my god. Right? Basically. And I'd say, yeah, if you want to hang out, see, here's the thing. I have a show tomorrow. The ticket's just 149 rupees. Just buy a ticket, come and we'll hang out after the show.
And you made them buy the ticket.
Yes.
The people
And
whom you wanted to go out on a date with, quote unquote, wanted to.
yeah. And the thing is, yes, they would buy these tickets, they would come, okay? And there's like 20 people in the audience. 15 of them are girls have called like this. And they all don't know this, right?
Ew. Why are you so weird?
And then I'd be like, I am actually the second last performer. And the last performer was someone else. And then I would bounce. I would leave. And they'd text me and be like, oh, you didn't get a chance to meet me. I was like, oh no, actually another show came up and I have to leave or whatever. Yeah.
So you were a horrible person. Just say that.
No, I was
It
I
should
did
be.
I did what I had to do.
No, it should
I
be
did
a
it.
part
I did it for comedy.
of.
I did it for the art.
Shut the fuck up. It should be a part of Am I the Asshole subreddit.
Okay, let's make this a clip and be like, am I the asshole?
Yes.
Am I the asshole
Let me
for
be
trying
clear.
to feed bhuka comedians' tummies?
Yeah, I'm pretty
These
sure.
are starving, hungry comedians
Yes, I'm pretty sure.
who come from privileged families.
Exactly. We're like, ganja फूकने के लिए पैसा चाहिए.
Oh my god, that's so true. These comedians always had money to smoke the ganja. But if it'd be like, चलो भाई चाय पीते हैं, they'd be like, यार पैसे नहीं है, and they'd be like, joint पिएगा? बोला, ये इससे 30 गुना महंगा है. कहाँ से आया तुम्हारे पास?
See, I know everything.
Uh-huh.
I was not even part of that.
That's because you were.
I was not one of those people who played 149 rupees.
Oh, so you're telling me. Be honest, okay? Be honest. You're telling me you have never given money to a guy for some random weird reason.
Why would I give them money?
No, so be honest. Ever.
No.
Because literally almost every girl I know has fallen into some Nigerian scam.
Yeah, Indian version.
in
Indian version where they have to pay 149 rupees.
some of their crushes or boyfriends or whatever.
So you were a Nigerian scammer in Kolkata.
150 रुपया में नाइजेरियन स्कैम हो रहा है भाई. इससे बेटर तरक्की क्या हो सकता है लाइफ में, बताओ. What do you mean?
No, what? I've never paid for like anything like, oh, pay for this or something.
I have a friend, okay? This friend, ex-friend, this ex-friend paid, literally stole her parents' jewelry, okay, to give over 1 lakh to a broke quote-unquote boyfriend, okay?
Why?
Because he said he needed it and she was like deeply in love and she was like 22, 23 at the time. Stole jewelry from her parents and and basically gave it to the guy to pawn off, and then the boy ran away with the money.
Yes, obviously. What would you expect?
But like, I don't get it. Like, what? It's a guy at the end of the day, right? And like, you didn't have that much of the judge of character. Like, oh my god, I don't know English. उतना भी
Judge of
character judge करना नहीं आता था
character.
तुमको उस समय. Language switch.
हिंदी में ही बात करते हैं.
हाँ भाई, बहुत इंग्लिश खाली अंग्रेजी ट्राई किया, फिर आई वाज लाइक, ये बड़ा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर लैंग्वेज के साथ खत्म क्यों होते जा रहा है भाई?
No, like the different persona comes out. Your sense of humor का
Oh, by the way, that laugh that I just did, she did it a few
No,
days
I
ago
didn't.
on accident. Like, on accident, she was like, let me just try to be my guy,
No,
my man,
no,
my boy,
no.
my girl. What?
You were talking about something and somebody stole their parents' money.
Yeah.
And you're talking about me stealing your laugh. I just stole your laugh.
My laugh is pretty. My laugh is money. It's the money laugh.
Yeah, and nobody's paying for it.
Not yet. I'll start.
That's what that's what men who are like, oh, I don't date gold diggers are like. The money that I
Yeah.
will have 10 years
Yeah,
down
this
the
is-
line, maybe.
This is what I don't understand. You know, gold diggers have always, like, as a concept, have fascinated me because it's like the men who actually have money, they want gold diggers. They're like, yes, dig gold, bitch. I don't have personality. I don't have jack. I have money. You want? Take, suck my dick. That's what the rich ones do. Okay, it's always the broke dudes. They're like, मेरा पैसा लूट लेगी, मेरा पैसा लूट लेगी. भाई चलेगा क्या चाय पीने? ये यार पैसे तो नहीं है. गांजा फूकेगा. Call back. Yeah, no. So
Then they're trapping this girl and telling her how much they are in debt, and they're like, the girl then goes to her parents' room, chori kar leti
yeah, but
hai,
see,
like,
in this situation, the girl is the dumb bitch.
yeah, you're 22, man.
Yeah.
You should have some brain.
Even if you're 16, you should be smarter than that. You should be smarter than figuring out that, okay,
No,
you want to steal your future inheritance.
जो कि
She's an
उसी के
only
पास चला
child.
जाता.
Yeah,
If she marries him.
true.
जो कि माँ बाप बोलते, अरे
They
ये
just
कितना
want
अच्छा.
like, नहीं उसको वो बोलिए कि भाई शादी करने के बाद तो ये हमारा ही होगा, जो तेरा है वो मेरा है, जो मेरा है वो तेरा.
Yeah, she had the opportunity to trap him
Yeah.
in marriage
Mhm.
and be like, see,
Mhm.
we can get married, and if you marry me, all of what my parents have will be yours.
Yeah.
She could have done the honey trap.
Uh-huh.
She is so stupid.
You know what I keep thinking when you say that? Your mother. And her prediction about people in general. Like, ये तेरा inheritance चुराने वाला है. And listening to this story, I'm like, हाँ भाई चुरा सकता है. बात में तो दम है actually.
My mom has nothing. Neither does my dad. We are very poor. Not poor. That
Wow.
sounds so bad.
ये जो घर है ना ये किराए पे है. ठीक है, ये घर में मेरा बेड पे रिकॉर्ड क्यों हो रहा है? स्टूडियो का पैसा नहीं है. ठीक है.
हाँ, तो मेरे पास भी नहीं है.
हाँ,
मेरे
of
बाप
course.
के पास भी नहीं है.
हाँ,
मेरी मम्मी के
exactly.
पास भी नहीं
अरे
है.
तेरे पास होता तो मेरे पास थोड़ी रहती. हम लोग साथ में क्योंकि स्ट्रगल दोनों को करना है. जस्ट बी लाइक आप करेंगे भाई. स्ट्रगल तो साथ में करेंगे.
You just wanted to do it. I just went, okay, for sure.
Wow.
I thought it was a joke. And they're like, oh, I actually got the mic. I was like, I thought you were joking. I didn't really think you would.
So you're
actually.
telling me when we were about to start the podcast, you thought it was a joke.
No, when you had talked about it,
Yeah.
not a joke. I thought you just, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do so many things.
It's like saying, oh, मेरे को Empire State Building के ऊपर sex करने का है. It's like that. That's that way.
Sure, if that analogy works for you, मैंने वही
हाँ,
सोचा.
but मेरे को actually करना है.
Okay.
Yeah. And
हमारे यहाँ पे सिर्फ The 42 ही है, जो कि
चलेगा.
मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. उसका नाम The 42 बिल्डिंग है.
उसमें 65 फ्लोर है.
हाँ, तुम
डिसाइड कर लेना बहन के.
आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस किसको बोलते हैं?
Exactly. Like it's,
लिविंग एम्बॉडीमेंट.
no, it's the opposite of men. Okay. I'll explain. It's the opposite of men because men will be 5'5" and be like, भाई ये 6 फीट थोड़ा कम हाइट है ना, मतलब 6-10 होता तो शायद लड़की लोग मिल जाती. It's the opposite. वो है 6 फीट 5 इंच का और वो बोलता नहीं भाई मैं 4 फुट 2 इंच का हूँ भाई.
No, that person is just humble. Like those people. It's okay.
Yeah.
Like they're the ones who have money, they are the ones who have everything, good looks, and you are the average looking, average height, paisa bhi nahi hai, and you're just talking to them like about your struggle, and they're like, अरे कोई नहीं,
Yeah.
मेरे पास भी नहीं है कुछ.
Oh, it's
फिर
like that.
Rolls Royce में जाके ऐसे घूम के चला गया.
Oh, so the 42 is like that bacha in school and college who before exam if you would ask भाई कैसा जाएगा एग्जाम, यार मैं कल ही पढ़ना स्टार्ट किया
मैं
यार,
पढ़ा ही नहीं कुछ।
हाँ मतलब भाई मतलब सबसे मेन चैप्टर जो है वही स्किप हो गया यार, नहीं हो पाया, मतलब
हाँ,
भाई
कुछ नहीं
फेल ही
आता।
है भाई। एंड देन एग्जाम दे रहे हैं, मैम शीट,
पेपर के बाद पेपर।
ऐसे ऐसे सेम वॉइस, मैम शीट, sorry for the ear torture, मैम शीट।
Oh God, that was so loud. उसके बाद एग्जाम से निकल के भी यार कुछ नहीं आता था, तो इतना क्या लिखा
हाँ
भाई, वो ऐसी बकलोल चीजें लिख रहा था।
हाँ,
पेपर जिस दिन मिलता है,
रिजल्ट डे,
first who come, that tall guy, that
Yeah.
42,
they were like 101 out of 100, कैसे अप्सरा पेंसिल यूज किया था? How?
like just because you're tall.
No, usually these were the ugly dudes. Sorry, bro. If you're a good looking person, you should not top. I have a problem, right? Like
Yeah,
if
we
you're
would tell ourselves that.
yeah, like if you're good looking, how dare you have the audacity to top the class? There is that fucking ugly nerd dude जिससे कोई बिया नहीं करने वाला फ्यूचर में, जिसका 2 इंच का है,
Ew, why do you know that?
वो बेचारा सेकंड आया है, उसका एक ही चीज था जो उसको जिंदगी में मिलने वाला था, द टॉपर पोजीशन। और जो बास्केटबॉल में फर्स्ट नंबर पे आता है वो क्लास में टॉप कर रहा है। इज दिस फेयर? इज दिस फेयर? द डूड विच इज 7-inch dick is topping the class.
Why do you know that either? Why are you knowing the sizes of their pee?
Bro, men, boys, not men, would talk about their penis sizes with each other. They were like, भाई तेरा बड़ा हो रहा है, हाँ, बड़ा तो हो रहा है भाई। Oh my god, look at the voice chart that you have made from your sound. I'll attach a screenshot of this. Oh my god.
What the hell? Ew.
Yeah, and then you would also be like, भाई कल पहली बार nightfall हुआ भाई.
What is night? What?
You don't know what nightfall is?
I don't want to know. Let's change the topic.
Let's get into it. So, when you are a teenage boy, you have a lot of cum inside you.
Ew, 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 ew. Ew.
And then, sometimes, you are having the wet dream. You are like, Megan Fox is mine. Or maybe you're having sex with Bambi.
Do you have like a
No, I don't.
Bambi fetish?
No.
Are you a furry?
No, ew. And then you're having this wet dream, and then you wake up and you're like, my undies be wet. You have came in your pants while sleeping. That's called nightfall.
I didn't.
Why does nightfall sound like a James Bond movie?
Skyfall, Nightfall?
Yes.
That's
Skyfall was basically James Bond coming in the sky.
yeah, ejaculated. He ejaculated from the plane
Yes.
and was ejaculating himself,
Yes. And that ejaculate landed on some person's head.
and he died.
And they
Oh.
would. That's a good question. If someone is skydiving and then comes, if the cum falls and lands on someone, do they die?
No, it's like water, but like thick water.
Okay. I was kind of excited by the idea of killing someone with my cum.
No, it needs to come down with force.
Oh.
So speed.
Huh, but it would reach terminal velocity, right?
Yeah, but then I don't know how thick it is.
और even if it doesn't kill someone, at least अगर टोपी के सामने गिरे टोपी खुल जाए ना, उतना तो होना चाहिए,
Sure, I guess.
है ना? और फिर वो देखेगा ये बोलेगा ये कबूतर थोड़ा चीपकू हग्गा क्यों किया है भाई?
छू क्यों रहा है?
हाँ बात सही है, छू क्यों रहा है? Maybe it's like अलग टेस्ट कर रहा है ये वाला. कौन सा चिड़िया है ये?
I am regretting it. you know.
You're thinking कि movie देखने चल जाते भाई.
Yeah. This dude was like, आज भाई क्या था?
A
A Quiet
Quiet
Place का जो
Place, Day One.
yeah, Day One का वो आज का सीट बहुत अच्छा है. We should get that. We should. I was like, no. We need to record
Yeah.
because we are already in delay.
Our 32 fans. Do we
We'll
have
be
32 fans?
delayed, okay? We can watch it tomorrow. Movie कहीं भाग नहीं रहा है.
Mhm.
And now I'm like, भाई movie देख लेते हैं.
Now you're thinking कि मैं ही भाग जाती हूँ भाई.
भाग भी नहीं सकती. मुझे इसके बाहर का दरवाजा खोलना भी नहीं आता ठीक से.
Wow.
It's very
That is how
complicated.
you trap them. You just get complicated doors. Lock करने की जरूरत नहीं है. बस complicated दरवाजा ले आओ. Why did I just call women dumb?
Yes.
And I don't take it back.
Wow. You
Oh
just
my
called
God.
out your friend as well.
Who is my friend?
The guy who peed on sink.
We are not taking any names.
Yeah, I know that friend knows. And if people know how many friends you have and who they are, they know who they are talking about.
I hope no one knows. I hope people think that I don't have friends, which is true.
You have friends, okay?
Yeah.
You
See,
have
if I had-
Juno.
If I, wow, it's like Debbie from Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
Bubbles, Finn,
It's like those are clearly the name of your pet dollfish. Dollfish?
Dolphin,
What the fuck is wrong with my brain?
everything.
Goldfish. Sorry, dollfish.
Dolphin.
What am I? What is a dollfish?
It's a fish with a doll's head on the head.
Oh, or
Like-
maybe it's Barbie with mermaid Barbie.
Wow.
But that's
It's
mermaid.
just a mermaid.
Yeah, exactly. Just a mermaid. But a doll. A mermaid doll. Hey, that's a good question. Could you, like, you can get, like those blow adult toys that you can blow and it becomes like a full size human but has a hole,
Yes.
right? If you had to make one of a mermaid, where would the coochie be?
So this is the wait. Hold my mic to my face. if this is the mermaid,
Yes,
this is the head is over here, this is the tail part, and
Yes.
the tail goes here.
yes.
If this is the fish,
Hmm.
they do have a.
Coochie. Yes, I have seen sharks giving birth.
So wouldn't it be here for the human fish or the mermaid as well?
Yeah, but the problem with that is there's a problem. Hold this. So the problem is, let's see, one of the most interesting positions to have smecks in is a cowgirl. Okay. Now, if you're fucking someone that's half fish and half human, you're human because you have penis. Okay. I'm assuming. Okay. Then if the mermaid has a coochie just at the groin like a slit, like shoop, okay, you can't do anything other than missionary.
Yeah, but
That's very
they are
restricting.
Fish, like they're not having sex with other humans; they're having sex with other merman.
But what is a merman? If there's a merman, mermans don't have dicks.
No, they'll have dicks like fish.
But then it would not be covered. It'd just be dangling like.
Yeah,
And
but
when they're swimming, the little balls are just sort of
have you
floating.
ever seen a shark's dick?
No, they have retractable dicks, right?
Yeah, so that'll be it. It'll be retractable.
Ew.
What
be like-
you?
It'll be like.
Wouldn't you want your dick to be like a shield covered and then you can just retract it?
Actually, kinda retractable dicks would be kinda cool.
See?
You know why? Because I can imagine how much more comfortable it'll be
You
if
have to wear pants.
if my dick could just go zoop and my balls could also go zoop.
Yeah.
But it'd be horrible if your dick could go zoop, but your
Balls
but your
just
balls just hang
out.
there.
Like a butt chin just
Yeah.
dangling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but another problem with the retractable, there's many problems with it, man. So I think evolution is doing something right. Okay. So another problem with a retractable penis would be that, let's say, when would it retract? Would it retract slowly, or would it,
No, it would
or the moment,
retract like an
you would come, it'll be like
inflatable.
zip?
No, no, no. It'll be like a balloon. So you have to store air in. You have to push it out. So you have to like.
Wow. You know what I just visualized? I just visualized, so have you ever taken like a glove, like a plastic glove, and
Yes.
tried to blow it?
And then you push one
Yes.
of the fingers in, and then you blow it, and then
And then like, but then,
it
what
does.
if? But then what if the pussy has teeth? And I'm like, pop.
Why would it have teeth?
Oh,
Have you not watched
we
the
were talking
movie?
about mermaids and mermans and extractable, retractable dicks. And now you think, oh, pussy with teeth is where we draw the line.
Yes, obviously.
Wow.
Because mermaid is a more plausible thing.
Yeah, teeth is also plausible. Have you not seen the
No.
movie Teeth?
Yes, I have.
Wow, why did you see this movie? I've not seen it, I've only heard about it. What the fuck? Oh my god. I heard that in the movie, they were having sex and she comes and it sort of takes and rips off the dick. And then when it leaves, it lands in the dog's mouth and the dog eats it.
Mm-hmm.
Is that what actually happens?
Mm-hmm.
Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. I need water. That was horrifying.
Just to hear it?
Yes,
Oh.
but I'm a visual person.
Yeah, you should watch it then. You're a visual person. You should watch it.
Yes, I'm a visual person. That's why I treat my eyes with respect.
I'm sure you do.
You feel like
You've
chashma lag hai.
looked at exactly. You've looked at abhorrent people.
Oh my god, my shirt is wet.
Disgusting.
I don't even remember what we were talking
We were
about.
talking
in the
about a
beginning.
therapist, and then we landed up in vaginas having teeth.
Yeah. So
Oh,
the therapist.
how? No, I think we ended that chapter long back.
No, I was actually thinking we should try some of those questions out.
What was the question?
Okay, so one of the questions was, what if your partner says, I actually cheated in you like 2 weeks into the
Cheated
relationship.
inside me? What? In you?
Cheated on you. That I cheated on you in the first week of the relationship, but then I felt so bad I stopped it.
Oh, what? I would be like, oh, bye.
So
Bye bye.
to me, it'll be like, you don't just immediately start dating a person. Okay, there's like matlab, you don't completely start being
Yeah, the
together.
moment you see them, you're
Yeah,
like, now
exactly.
we are dating, we are in a relationship.
Exactly. So like, if I heard that, okay, you were meeting and talking to people or whatever in the
Initial stage.
initial stage when we were getting to know each other, then I was like, yeah, cool, that don't matter. But if on one day we get together, we're like, today we are exclusive. Even the day after that, you can't do jack shit. If you did it, bye bye. Yeah, and I think those are normal things. But then there was another,
No,
which
but
was,
then they said that they were in a relationship.
yeah,
So
so
that
they probably mean
means,
the latter scenario itself.
yeah.
But like, yeah, that's bad.
Yes, like still, then just don't be in a relationship
Yeah,
right
I mean,
now.
if you said yes to being exclusive, like, why
Mhm.
would you do that?
Because you wouldn't call it a relationship.
Yeah,
Anyway, the
exactly.
next question. Next thing.
Anyways, the next question was that, what if the person changed their mind about having a child?
So, like, example.
Yeah, so like, whatever they believed in, the opposite of that,
Mm-hmm.
right? So if they believe they wanted a child, they said they don't want a child anymore. Or if they say they didn't want a child, they're like, okay, now I want a child. Okay, what's your take on this?
Oh, that is a bit complicated, I guess.
Yeah.
But then, I think the first thing you do is talk normally.
Mm-hmm.
Talk to your
Mhm.
partner. Be like, I'm having thoughts. I'm thinking about it. And I know we have talked about something else, but this is what I'm thinking. And also it depends on who is who
Yeah.
will be the person bringing the child to the earth.
Yeah. So
S-
who's the
yeah, who
uh,
will take the uh,
who will take
burden
the
basically.
who will have the
Child,
biological?
yes, depends on that as well,
Yeah.
because that person will have to go through a lot during and even after
Yeah.
their bodies will go through. So I think that should be considered, but this is a complicated
Yeah. I
topic. It's
mean,
very
I have
personal
a
as well.
I know, but my I have like there's one nuance that needs to be added to it. Okay, it's like okay, you change your mind about it, but do you impose it on your partner? That's an
Yeah,
important nuance.
that's
Okay,
when talking
so
comes.
no, what I mean is, for example, the dude in the relationship is like, okay, I want a child. I know we didn't want a child before. Now I want a child. Okay, now they can want a child, but if they are like, okay, if you have to be with me, then you must have a child, then just separate. Okay, but in my mind, you can want a child, and you can still leave the agency on the person who is actually going to give birth.
Yeah.
Okay, because in my mind, the agency has to be theirs, like whoever's giving birth, right? Like in our scenario, the agency would be hers completely. I don't think. I mean, I'll be part of the conversation because it needs to be planned if it has to happen. But the agency should be uh, it, like should tilt in that direction. So I don't think necessarily a change in that mindset needs to end the relationship per se. But yeah, it can be a conversation. Okay, there was another one. Okay, it's like, okay, I got a new work opportunity or an education opportunity, and I have to be in another city, country, 3,000 miles away or whatever for a year. Do you leave them?
Obviously not no. You talk of anything. You talk first.
Yeah, this is what bugged me about all of these questions, because I was like,
It's
why would you want to preempt and talk about
yeah.
these things?
Just talk about it.
Yeah, just
Tell
deal with it
them.
when it happens.
Yeah, just tell them like
Because
this is what
imagine
happened.
imagine someone 3 months in the relationship having these conversations.
Yeah,
Okay,
that is
they're like, now you could have been together for 2 years, and at that point you would have felt so much deeper of a connection to them, possibly, that you would maybe change your answers to all of these things. But now you're thinking 3 months in, you're thinking, oh, it's maybe
yeah,
uh,
you're thinking too much into it.
yeah.
Like the first thing you do is if you are the one, obviously you're the one who has had a big change in the career or in their education or whatever, and you have to go somewhere else, you tell your partner this is what happened, and this will need me to go somewhere else which is far away. And see, the thing is, it will again depend on people to people, person to person, their relationship, their work, or whatever they are doing. Because if they can, they will go with you. If you guys can do a long distance, you will do a long distance. I'm pretty sure just leaving is not like an option, like at least not the top 10. I'm pretty sure you can work things through.
Yeah,
You
the
can.
question is framed in a way to put the relationship in a negative light.
Yeah, like think not, yeah, like think of the negative first.
Yeah, exactly, that's very
Like
stupid.
I a lot of times joke about it very badly. Then I'll just leave. No, I will not.
When do you joke about it?
Very rarely, like once or twice. You're like,
Oh.
oh no, I can't do a long distance. Bye.
No, she jokes about it in like stupid scenarios. Like I remember only once, okay?
Yeah, I did once. Sorry.
Only once where I was like, okay, what if you're sleeping in the same bed, okay? And I do a Dutch oven. You know what a Dutch oven is? For anyone who is listening, a Dutch oven is basically when you take the sheets over each other, and then you fart inside the sheet, and then you don't let them go. I said that, and she was like, "If you do that to me, I'll leave you so quick." And I was like, "Would you actually?" I didn't say that, but internally I was like, "Would you actually leave me?" No, she wouldn't.
But you dare try to ever do that. You will not. You will be on the floor.
There would be some violence. All the kickboxing training would come out that one day.
No, and it wouldn't
That
be.
thing should
no.
be recorded for a PPV.
The thing is, I'm not a violent person.
Yes.
It will be by accident.
Yeah.
I will suddenly realize that the blankets are warm
Yeah.
and it's stanky, and my foot will be just bang to your jaw. And I won't even realize.
Yeah. Bro, I just imagined that you just suddenly sprang up and punched me in the face, and now the titanium that's holding my jaw together bends,
Oh no.
and now I'm like,
You have a flipped jaw.
"God,
No.
I'm
It's
sorry to
okay.
bother why." I don't know if that is how the face that it'll be. I don't know.
We will Photoshop it and see
Yeah.
how it looks.
No, I don't want to see actually. I remember how my face looked when it was swollen everywhere after the accident. I don't even think the listeners know
No, they
about
don't
the
know.
accident. Should I talk about the accident? The accident was pretty interesting actually.
No.
It was not. So basically in Jan of last year, I had like a two-wheeler accident. Two-wheeler means scooty. If it was a bike, I would have said bike. That's the thing.
You could have just said scooty or a scooter.
No. So anyone, if they say, यार मैं टू व्हीलर चला रहा था, they mean scooter. Okay. अगर वो बाइक चला रहा था तो बाइक बोलते, सिर्फ बाइक ने बाइक का नाम बोलते, भाई मैं R15 चला रहा था, ठीक है, that's the thing, मैं ड्यूक 390 चला रहा था, ठीक है, और अगर वो बोले कि भाई बाइक चला रहा था तो वो पल्सर था या तो डिस्कवर था या तो TVS 100 था, ठीक है, whatever, I give too much detail. So I had a two-wheeler accident and I ended up breaking my jaw. So
No,
like this.
tell them the whole story. How
The
did
whole
it
story
began? How did you end up there? Hi,
no,
my name is Ryan, and you might be wondering how I.
I don't want to talk about the whole story.
Yeah,
I'll talk about it in some
don't
other
have to.
podcast. I need to remove that girl from everywhere first.
Oh. Why is she still there?
She, anyways, we'll talk about this separately off the record. So I had an accident. I broke my jaw, and I was rushing to the ER. It was crazy. You know what the craziest thing was? The first thought that I had when my jaw broke
What?
was कि उसी दिन जस्ट उसके पहले डिनर पे मैंने बोला था यार ये भगवान कुछ नहीं होते,
Oh no.
भगवान ने याद दिला दिया, चुप रे बेटा.
Oof.
Yeah, it was a very
And
violent
you
way.
still haven't become dharmic.
नहीं भाई मैं बहुत धार्मिक हूँ, इसके अंदर टीका छुपा हुआ है, दिख नहीं रहा है बस.
भगवान ने परमानेंट टीका लगा दिया.
हाँ एक्चुअली अगर दिखाऊंगा तो है.
Like
Oh my
अंदर
god,
से.
हाँ भाई.
Wow, I'm so bad. I'm so sorry.
No, and you know what another fucked up part is? My accident happened.
Mm.
My jaw broke.
Mm.
2 pieces. Okay. My phone, my iPhone that I had, not a scratch came on that phone. Not a single scratch. Skeleton is weaker than Gorilla Glass 5.
Yeah, the name is Gorilla Glass. And your
I
skeleton's
am
name is
Homo
Skeleton.
sapiens skeleton.
Yeah. Ew.
If I had gorilla skeleton, it would have survived, no?
Yeah. Put a gorilla in a scooty and उसका accident कराओ.
स्कूटी टूट जाएगा.
Exactly. उसके नाम में गोरिल्ला है, ये समझ में नहीं आता क्या?
Yeah. Anyways.
Why am I laughing? I'm such a horrible person.
अब
I'm
तो हंसना
laughing at
चाहिए.
your misery.
अब तो हंसना ही चाहिए.
Yeah, this is the
सामने का
first time
मेरे
I
I should make a reel वैसे, मेरे सामने के 2 दांत नकली है, मैं हॉकी का बहुत बड़ा चैंपियन था, मैं स्कूटी चला रहा था.
सामने के 2 दांत.
मेरे सामने के 1 दांत नकली है और 2 दांत पे कवर लगा है, ठीक है, 2 दांत कपड़े पहने हुए, नंगा नहीं रहता.
कवच है वो, कवच.
यस, और वो इतना कमजोर कवच है कि मेरे को बोलता हड्डी चबाना मत टूट जाएगा.
Wait, वो सामने के दांतों में है?
यस,
सामने के दांत से कौन हड्डी चबाता है?
चबाता था पहले, अभी ऐसे करना
Wow.
पड़ता.
Yes, you look funny when you eat. So
And you secretly took hundreds of photos of that also, which I have. They will never be shared.
That was not secret. You were sitting in front of me. You
Yeah.
saw me took those photos.
You know what I just realized?
No.
We are 52 minutes into the podcast and we did not say,
Hi.
welcome to Gin and Talk in episode 4.
We'll
Yeah,
add that in the intro.
Yeah, we'll cut this and put it in the front, and we'll end this here.
With his broken jaw and a tika from the gods.
Yeah, and the next episode, by the way, you'll see same clothes. You know why?
No, because we don't take a shower. We
Yes.
believe in not bathing and not
Exactly.
changing our clothes.
We are not recording another episode just after this.
How can we?
Exactly.
Why would we?
We don't deceive our audience.
Two audience that we have.
32.
Two.
Our last episode was viewed 90 times.
Yeah.
Super cool actually. 93 actually. I'm hoping ek bad gaya ho. In that time. Yeah. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.
Oi.